Straight up and down, long strokes. And press in. Press in. Up and down, up and down. Up and down, up and down, not up and down. Start from the top and go to the bottom.
I'm messing it up.
Right. Start back at the top. Right there in the middle. See where the paint is missing? Yeah. Might have to go down some. The harder you press in, the more it'll come off the brush.
MeekTrent, oh God. I want you to lay your hands on your head. The Lord said you will not lose your mind. For I do see that there has been an attack unleashed from Satan against your mind. But the scriptures declares that he will keep you in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on him. The Lord says that this is the hour that you need to put your mind on the right things. You have a problem with constantly dwelling on things that don't matter. But God said, I want you to put your mind on me tonight. And as you put your mind on me, he says, I'm going to cause peace. You say this, I need peace. And you even do things to try to get peace. But God says, your peace is in your thoughts. And your thoughts have to be on me. God says, as you put your mind on me, I'm going to keep you in perfect peace. And I'm going to give it to you. And it's going to be that peace that surpasses all understanding.
You have unstoppable energy. You are powerful. And you are connected to source. Be in the flow. Find harmony. This is very important for you. Be mindful not to attach all this power you have to ego or anxiety. You can manifest greatness, and you know this. Step into your power. Release your past.
It's been a long few days. Like, I haven't been home, back to my cottage in like days. I was expecting to be back there, you know, for some stuff, but just be back there. But I ended up staying in my parents' house because my grandmother ended up passing, and her funeral is like so abrupt. Like, it's actually, everything is happening on my birthday weekend, which is this week. So it's Wednesday the 15th. My birthday is Friday the 17th, and the funeral is Saturday, September 18th. So don't think I will really get to celebrate my birthday, honestly. I don't like know about that just yet. I was supposed to celebrate with a couple of friends, but you know, honestly, I don't even have the funds or whatever to do so. Don't need to be anyway, because y'all, I'm still trying to get into my house.
For me, as a child, that laugh meant something. So I would ease up by the porch. You know, our house is built on bricks, and she had the spring, and everybody was all the grown folks on the porch. So I would ease up and try to see what she laughed, what they laughing at. And you know, somebody could, boy, get on out of here and go back out there and play. There's grown folks up here talking, and you know, and I never was invited up on that porch while my mama was learning her story, telling abilities. But I did tell her years later. I said, Mama, guess what? I said, what I learned from on that porch is you only need to know 4 phrases to carry on any conversation on the porch in the South. 4 phrases, and I'm gonna tell you those phrases. The first phrase you need to know to carry on any conversation is, I know that's right. The second one is, you got that right. The third one is, I heard that. And the fourth one was, well, I declare. If you know those phrases, which I learned, you can carry on any conversation.
G-Wagon, all the Billy, hey, ride the whip, hey, mom, no shoes, hey, 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 oh, yeah. My family,